making chicken parmesan, chicken Asiago actually, because the parmesan was sold out and it was on sale, so it was the same brand, and I chose the Asiago because the other one was sold out. But there's a little vein in the fillet, so I'm using fillets instead of actual big chicken breasts because I thought I'd try it out because I bought a big package, and I'm going to use the other one for some chicken pad thai probably tomorrow night. Yeah, soaking them in some scrambled egg, and we have some panko breadcrumbs. That's all I have on hand. Add the Asiago, salt and pepper, and some herbs. So when I make, anytime I have extra fresh herbs, I dry them so then I can make a Italian seasoning. And now we're going to coat the chicken in the breadcrumb mixture with the Asiago. Nicely evenly coated, and then heat up some olive oil on medium heat. Well, actually less than medium heat, like on a level 4. That's if your stove does that, but not in the middle, just under. And then you're gonna fry on both sides. That looks beautiful. There's enough olive oil in there to do the other ones. All right, all done. And now we're going to prepare them for the oven. I'm going to start with some of my favorite marinara sauce. It's President's Choice. It's a Canadian brand. I use it for my pizza sauce as well.